Alright guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to record slow motion on any iPhone, which applies to any model of iPhone and any version of iOS. Okay, so step number one, you need to open your camera application. Now from here at the bottom of your screen, you will find photos, portraits, videos. If you scroll a little bit to the left, you'll find this slow-mo. And now if you press record, it will record a slow-mo video, which will take a lot longer than what you recorded. Okay, so how to change it, how to change the settings of it, you have two different settings. Okay, so first of all is the quality, and depending on the model of your iPhone, you'll be able to choose 720p or HD or sometimes even 4K. Okay, and then you'll also be able to choose the frame rate, which is 120 or 240, or on the newer iPhones also be able to record in 360, and that's the frames per second. And the more frames per second you have, the smoother the slow motion will feel and look. Okay, so you ideally want to have as much frames per second as possible. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.